we recommend you lie down for this practice. However, trust your body and do what's best for you. Heading pause if you need to, and coming back whenever you're ready. Once you are, lovingly and gently close your beautiful eyes and begin to awareness to start in breath, letting it flow so free, so naturally. And as you relax into the allowing of the breath, you also invite the body to just be whatever it feels. It needs to be inviting it to relax anything it does not need to use right now. And you begin to feel an inward pull. As if there is a balancing happening within your body. You start to feel yourself becoming centered, feeling more whole, more balanced. And as you do, it's almost as if there is a column of light running all the way from the top of your head in the soles of your feet, uniting you as one form, one energy of love. You tune into this column of light, and you may even begin to imagine your body dissipating into the light until you and the light are indiscernible from one another. And you imagine that you, as this beam of light rise up, see yourself as this beam of light standing wherever you are right now. Take in the view, really tune to what you see, noticing yourself still, you as the beam of light. Continue to move now, moving through your space, illuminating everything you pass, finding a doorway that takes you outside. And if you are practicing this outside, just imagine a doorway there. And once you feel ready to step through the threshold, when you do, you are transported to a magical field. All around you in 360 degrees is lush, vivid, green, with white flowers dancing and blowing in the wind. The sky above you is a dome of clear blue, pale and rich at the same time. So peaceful, so serene. You as a beam of life find yourself directly in the center of this field with a view of the skyline 360 degrees all around you, while the sky is crystal clear. The sun is directly above your hand. You imagine that it holds a spot in the sky that you can touch. And you feel yourself as a beam of light lifting up to touch it. You as a beam of light begin to stretch and expand, growing taller until you reach this imaginary point in the sky where you are one with the sun and linked to the earth below, as if you are holding the world together with your light. In fact, it's almost as if you begin to spread out from the point where you have reached the sun. And you begin to make your journey following the skyline all the way around the world, until until you reach the point at the bottom of where you are now. And from there you enter in, until you move all the way through the center of the earth and reconnect with where your feet were planted in the field. It's as if you are the atmosphere around the earth, in the form of light. Well, of light. You feel a flow of life, as if nothing is stagnant, but that you are ever flowing, ever moving light. It's almost as if the light isn't yours, but you are also not borrowing it. It just is. You affirm to yourself, I. And you feel that energy rippling through the light that you are extending all around the earth, and through the column that runs from top to bottom. I am love. You affirm, and as you do, the light pulsates. I, peace. I am. However, you feel cold, and slowly bring your awareness back to the world around you, gently opening your eyes and making your transition as slow and peaceful as possible. Staying connected to this I am presence for as long as you can throughout the rest of your day. Take a big breath in stomach and rib cage, fully expanding, holding your breath at the top. And when you are ready, exhale with a sigh. Imagine that you in this physical form begin to appear in the very center of the column of light. You feel your feet on the grass. You feel the light all around you. And while you are both connected to your physical body and the light to you, again, affirm to yourself, I am that I am. For in this moment, you feel yourself as both the light and love that just is. And this physical form, if it feels good to you, you may give yourself a warm embrace and either way really tune into gravity right now, using your awareness to return to where you are right now. Nice and gently feeling the points of contact between you and the surface on which you are resting. Beginning to gently move your body. How was your experience? Let us know in comments. Subscribe for more videos.